In this video, let me show you SmartDraw tutorial for beginners. First, access and set up SmartDraw. It offers both a web-based app and a downloadable Windows version. Start by signing up for a free trial through the SmartDraw website. Next, navigate the interface. Begin by selecting a template, such as a flowchart, organizational chart, or mind map. Locate shapes, symbols, text, tools, and layout controls within the interface. To create your diagram, drag shapes onto the canvas and drop them into place. Use SmartDraw Smart Connectors to link shapes. This adjusts automatically if you moved objects. Double-click shapes or connectors to add labels, captions, or notes. That's how you add text. To customize styling, apply built-in themes for consistent color schemes and font styles across your diagram. For more advanced use, work with data in layers. You can overlay data, visuals, or use layers to manage multiple versions of a diagram or to hide details. When you're ready to save, export, or share your diagram, you can export it to formats like PDF or PNG and to Office apps such as Word or PowerPoint. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.